Sediment water filters have become almost a necessity these days, but with all the options springing up on the market, which one to choose? Which provides the best value? Our experts have researched and reviewed the 6 top-rated whole house sediment water filter systems to find you the best option for your specific use. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting at number 6 is the iSpring WSP50 ARB Spin-Down Sediment Water Filter. The iSpring Spin-Down Sediment Filter is designed to take considerable workload off the filters and appliances that follow so you can have healthier water flowing through your house while reducing expensive replacement and repair costs. With a 50-micron rating, the iSpring removes large particles of dirt, sediment, and rust from your water supply before they get to the rest of your pipes. The best part is you don't have to worry about a drop in water pressure since this has a max flow of 25 gallons per minute. The iSpring Spin-Down Sediment Filter can also be utilized for the treatment of any type of municipal or well water. Simply clean the filter cartridge once a year and let the automatic system take care of the rest. This unit features an integrated auto-flushing module that automatically flushes on a preset schedule, so you can be sure your water is always clean and sediment-free. With its HD touchscreen, you can easily adjust the flushing frequency and flush runtime. The iSpring is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions. It works with copper, PEX, and PVC pipes, so no welding or glue is required. Plus, the sturdy lead-free brass machine head of the iSpring WSP50 ARB means it will last for years to come, and it's backed by a full 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Here are the pros: max water flow rate of 25 gallons per minute, effective 50-micron filtration, unique digital touchscreen display and diagnostic module, built with high-quality lead-free components. There's only one con: this is slightly more expensive than some of the other options. Next, at number 5 is the Culligan WH-S200 Whole House Sediment Water Filtration System. With the Culligan Whole House System, you can be sure that your family has clean, fresh water supply while reducing dirt, sand, and silt buildup in plumbing lines and appliances. Focusing on ease and efficiency, the Culligan features a valve-in head bypass shutoff that makes cartridge changes a simple task with its built-in filter life. Because the system is a cartridge filter-based system, you'll be able to use the best micron-rated filter for your specific needs. The Culligan Whole House Sediment Water Filtration System is also one of the few sediment filters that has been tested and certified to NSF standards. The stainless steel reinforced valves and premium components ensure that this sediment filter will last for the long run. It comes with 2 options, either 3/4-inch valves or the heavy-duty option with 1-inch valves. Depending on which model you choose, the flow rates of 4 or 8 gallons per minute are designed to remove sediment from your water without restricting the overall water flow rate in your home. When purchasing the system, it comes with a housing wrench, mounting bracket, and filter life monitor. Because it's easy to install and requires very little maintenance, simply change the filters periodically and you're good to go. Here are the pros. It's a cartridge-based system, so you can select the best micron rating for your needs. High-quality stainless steel valves. It includes a filter life timer, and it's NSF certified. Just a couple of cons: a lower flow rate than some alternative sediment filters. Installation can be difficult for some people. At number 4 is the Frizzlife JX800 Spin-Down Sediment Water Filter. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable sediment water filter, this top-of-the-line system filter is designed to remove sediments, mud, turbidity, dirt, and sand from your water supply, making it safer and more pleasant to drink. The precision-engineered 40-micron pore size stainless steel mesh filter is incredibly effective at capturing 99% of the large particles in your well or city water. Every preset number of days, the pre-filtration device will immediately remove the sediments that have been stuck on the mesh filter, backwashing the filtering system, and then clear out the contaminants in under 15 seconds. With a peak flow rate of 20 gallons per minute, the Frizzlife filter is made from top-grade molecular material for exceptional strength and durability. Each housing system is tested to be crack-proof and leakage-free, so you don't have to worry about the product degrading with time. On top of that, the brass fittings of the water filter system are all lead-free, ensuring that your water is safe to drink. This comprehensive whole-house system comes with everything you need for quick and easy installation, including a loaded filter and pre-assembled flush fitting. Plus, it's designed to be used with any 3/4 or 1-inch fitting, making setup a breeze. Here are the pros. This system captures 99% of the large particulates. Hands-off automated flush system. Easy install and pre-assembled system. A high 20 gallons per minute flow rate. There's only one con. Again, this one is a little bit more expensive than some of the other options. At number 3 is the Waterdrop Whole House Spin-Down Sediment Filter System. The Waterdrop Spin-Down Sediment Filter has a stainless steel mesh with a pore size of 40 microns, which prevents corrosion and traps big particles like sand and rust, while also preventing them from passing through. The sediment filter prevents your pipes from corroding and extends the life of your household appliances by removing the silt from the water. With a 20 gallon per minute flow rate, it also helps to improve the efficiency of the system without lowering your home's water pressure. It comes with an auto flush, making it a zero-maintenance water filter. You have the ability to define certain automatic flushing interval periods, which will save you time and effort. In addition, you have the option to immediately flush the system at the touch of a button. The Waterdrop is made from the highest quality food-grade materials, making it eco-friendly and better for drinking water. Additionally, the reinforced housing is tested to 400 psi to withstand cracks and dents. Installation is simple since the system includes a comprehensive kit with everything you'll need, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Here are the pros: a high 20 gallon per minute flow rate, automatic backwashing technology, easy installation, and comprehensive install kit is included. It's tested and constructed for high durability. There's only one con: they recommend to use Teflon tape with your installation. At number 2 is the SoftPro Spin-Down Sediment Separator Filter. If you're looking for a reliable and economical way to remove sediment and particulate matter from your water supply, the SoftPro Spin-Down Sediment Separator Filter is one of the best sediment filter options. This filter features a unique head design that creates centrifugal force to effectively separate solids from the water, allowing for cleaner, clear water. Additionally, the filter is made from high-quality materials for long-lasting use, and it's easy to install and operate. SoftPro filters are manufactured from NSF-listed FDA food-grade materials, so you can be sure they're safe for your family to use. With a high-performance 25 gallon per minute flow rate, this versatile filter is perfect for all types of residential properties and even RVs. The great thing about this filter is that you don't need to replace the entire cartridge. Instead, just clean out your reusable 60-micron polyester screens when they get clogged up with sediment. Installation and maintenance are hassle-free. Flush out the sediment by opening the red ball valve when necessary or simply letting it run while you do other things around the house, saving you time. Here are the pros: a high flow rate of 25 to 90 gallons per minute, depending on the model. No need for costly replacement filters. This system is NSF certified. Easy and quick installation. And the cons: screens can get dirty quickly if you have heavily contaminated water. In the top spot is the Rusco spin-down sediment separator. Although it's ideal for heavy well water contaminants, the Rusco ensures that you'll have the perfect pre-filtered water from any source. The high flow rate of up to 25 gallons per minute allows it to filter out large chunks of deteriorating wells without sacrificing water pressure. Rusco filters provide superior protection against bacteria with their unique design, tailored specifically toward any individual's needs. With an auto flush valve system, it's easy to keep your separator clean and running smoothly. The Rusco spin-down separator comes with a 1-inch, 100-micron mesh sediment screen filter by ViewFlow, which is perfect for trapping large sediment particles and debris. It also comes with a transparent cover for easy cleaning, so you can always keep an eye on the performance. The T-design provides excellent flexibility, allowing you to customize the system to connect with any pipe very easily. Plus, the compact size makes it perfect for even the tightest spaces. The Rusco spin-down separator is backed by Rusco's great reputation for quality and durability, which comes with a lifetime warranty. Here are the pros. This one is best for heavy well water contaminants. It features a high-quality 100-micron filter screen, and it offers 25 gallons per minute flow rate, designed with an auto flush valve system. There's only one con: it does not come with an installation kit. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.